It's that time of year again when families gather around a table to share a warm meal. But this year is different. The CDC is saying gatherings can increase the chances of getting or spreading COVID-19. We speak to an infectious disease expert from Memorial Healthcare on what families should do and keep in mind this holiday season.
Thanksgiving is always a party. It's a good time.
Across the country, families like Tamika Bickham's are deciding how, when, and where to get together for the holiday season safely.
Not planning a lot. And when I talk to my friends, everyone's kind of in the same boat. I think we're all kind of discouraged from planning things just because of COVID, and things are obviously getting worse.
We do know from the Florida Department of Health that cases are increasing in Florida, not as high as they are in the rest of the country, but that puts all of us at risk.
Infectious disease expert Rachel Guran says it's important that people do their part this holiday season to reduce the spread of the virus. That might mean saying no to an invitation for Thanksgiving dinner.
It is really important that we're looking at ways we can do things safely. So for holidays, it would be staying within our family or our household.
If you're staying home, other tips include decorating your home and watching holiday movies with family or household members, hosting virtual lunch or dinner calls with distant relatives, and if you must go to a gathering, always wear a mask and bring your own utensils and meal.
Something safer you could do is have one person plate all the food so multiple people are not getting up and going to a buffet line. That promotes congregating.
As for Tamika, she says she's keeping the celebration very small.
My mom is actually flying in town. She lives in New Jersey. When she comes to visit, I do get tested. And I also am an Airbnb host with a guest who is visiting South Florida. She's a medical student. So we've also invited her to take part in Thanksgiving with us.
The CDC recommends you don't gather with more than 10 people as the risk of exposure is greater. For the Rebound Rundown on Thanksgiving ideas at home, head to WSFL TV and click Rebound.